In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads search campaign. By the end, you'll be comfortable starting a search campaign the right way, with the confidence to follow the on-screen guidance without missing anything important. First, head to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to use for advertising. If you've got multiple accounts, double-check the account name at the top so you don't set things up in the wrong place. Once you're in, look for the Create button. You'll typically find it near the top left or center of the interface, and it might appear as a plus sign. Click Create, then choose Campaign. This tells Google Ads you're starting a brand new campaign rather than editing an existing one. Next, you'll be asked to select your campaign objective. This helps Google tailor recommendations and settings based on what you want to achieve, such as leads, website traffic, or sales. Pick the objective that best matches your real goal so the guidance you see aligns with your outcome. If you're ever unsure, focus on the objective that reflects the action you want your customers to take. After that, select your campaign type. Choose Search. This ensures your ads show on Google's search results when people type in keywords relevant to your business. Search is great for capturing intent because your ads appear when someone's actively looking for what you offer. Now, enter your campaign name. Use a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, like the product, location, and date range. Good naming saves time when you're managing multiple campaigns or reporting performance. Click, continue, and follow the prompts on your screen until you finish setting up your campaign. The prompts will guide you through the essentials. Expect to confirm things like your target locations and languages so your ads appear in the right places. You'll also set your bidding strategy and daily budget. Choose an amount you're comfortable testing, and remember, you can adjust later based on performance. You may be asked to define your audience, pick keywords that match what customers search for, and create ad groups to keep related keywords and ads organized. When writing your ads, use clear headlines, include your main keyword where it fits naturally, and add a strong call to action so people know what to do next. Before wrapping up, review the summary screen carefully. Make sure your settings, ads, and budget look right. Then finish the setup by following the on-screen confirmation. That's it. Your search campaign is now ready to start gathering data and driving results.